Who? Rashid?
Rashid bhai learns from you.
Really?
Yeah.
ये बहुत अच्छा बात है, हाँ? मुझे मालूम नहीं था. I'm happy that we got 2 more points and we won the match. I got 3 wickets in crucial situation, so that was good for me. I've been working with Rashid since last year. We were together last year as well in Gujarat, and we are together in national team as well. He helped me a lot with the techniques, with my bowling. I learned so much things.
Rashid bhai said he also learns a lot from you.
Who? Rashid?
Rashid bhai learns from you.
Really?
Yeah.
ये बहुत अच्छा बात है, हाँ? मुझे मालूम नहीं था. I think pitch was good for batting, but the main thing was whenever I bowled fuller, I have been hit it for 6 and boundaries, and whenever I bowled tight, wicket to wicket in good line, then I got good results. It's so good to play here among the 80,000-90,000 crowd every match, and thank you so much. Always come and enjoy.